Carbon is the reason for life on Earth, but carbon is also threatening us with one of the most serious problems facing us today: global warming.
The carbon cycle keeps Earth's temperature stable, like a thermostat, over longer time periods. But post-industrial revolution, the atmospheric CO2 levels are 50% higher than before, resulting in warmer temperatures on Earth. There is an urgent need to reduce emissions, but at the same time, use other means to remove the excess atmospheric CO2 that is one of the major reasons of global warming. Enter a technology called carbon capture and storage. This technology captures CO2 emissions at the source from emitting industrial processes. The CO2 is then liquefied and transported by ship or pipeline to a storage site where it is injected into deep underground rock formations, depleted oil and gas reservoirs, or saline aquifers, preventing it from ever entering the atmosphere. CCS can remove over 90% of an industrial facility's emissions. This technology is currently in its infancy, with around 45 million tons of CO2 removed per year. By 2050, we need to remove 6 gigatons of CO2 from the atmosphere to reach carbon neutrality. And here's a fun fact: 6 gigatons is equivalent to the weight of 36 million blue whales. The downside to this technology is the cost of capture, transport, and storage. Though the costs are falling as CCS becomes mainstream, the additional costs may be $50 to $90 per ton of CO2. Making CCS mainstream will require investment, incentives, and above all, cooperation between companies and governments.